All right, welcome. We are asked from jamb 1995, question 15, to factorize completely the expression abx squared plus 6y minus 3ax minus 2byx. Now we'll dive into the question quickly by writing solution. Write solution. Next, we copy out our expression a b x squared plus 6y minus 3ax minus 2byx. Now what we do in order for us to solve this is that we collect like terms. Hence our expression becomes a b x squared minus 3ax plus 6y minus 2byx. Now, having collected like terms, we move ahead to factorize out ax from abx squared minus 3ax. We factorize out ax, and we're left with bracket open, bx minus 3, bracket close. We're left with plus 6y minus 2byx. From this, we factorize out minus 2y, bracket open. We're left with minus 3 plus bx, bracket closed. Now, this ends up giving us equal to bracket open bx minus 3, bracket close, bracket open, ax minus 2y, bracket close, as our final answer. Thank you.